At Cimtech, we believe in the power of bringing along the next generation of manufacturers. Celebrating 50 years of manufacturing excellence doesn't come without the power of teamwork, collaboration, pouring into multiple generations of manufacturers, staying innovative, and being a workforce first company. It is important to us to always put our teammates first. Cimtech's commitment to bridging the gap between classroom learning and industrial application. Our programs are designed to be high impact, scalable, and deeply integrated with our partner schools and organizations. Cimtech's engagement strategy is built on the principle that a robust talent pipeline requires early exposure, continuous mentorship, and strategic alignment with educational institutions. We actively participate across the entire educational life cycle to ensure students are workforce ready upon graduation. By offering this spectrum of engagement, Cimtech solves a major pain point for educational partners: relevance. Our programs ensure that the curriculum being taught in the classroom is immediately validated by real world application, making our partner schools more attractive to prospective students.